Hello, Lookout fam. It's Lolo on the lookout, and today I'm at Dollar General. And if you love stretching your dollars, then you're gonna love this. Today I'm gonna show you how I took the 5 off 25 Saturday coupon and bring these dollar items down to 80 cents. Right away in the dollar aisle, I spotted Colgate Cavity Protection Toothpaste plus Colgate Max Fresh Ultimate Freeze Charcoal, both just $1 each. Next, I found Jergens Cherry Almond Bar Soap, 2 bars for $1. And right beside it, something I've never seen before. This is the Jergens Moisturizing Hand Wash in Cherry Almond. This is a limited edition, so of course I grabbed it. Then I spotted Power Stick 3-in-1 Body Wash Shampoo and Conditioner, an 18-ounce bottle in cool blue water and spring fresh. I spotted this Power Stick for her conditioner called Pure. This is sulfate free, color protection with coconut oil and geranium extract. And I thought this was a great deal. This is the Spa Luxury Nourishing Beauty Cream. Now they had plenty of the Guru Nada vapor inhalers, had some Tag disposable washcloths, and the Personal Care Brazilian Orange roll-on perfume. Now I also spotted 2 personal care items. This is the flushable wipes. It is a 50 count, and also the deodorant by Personal Care. Right below that is the Pro Formula 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. And this caught my eye. This is Flex Pro. This is shampoo infused with vanilla and honey extract. So I did grab 2 of these. Now I also picked up this Yardley Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It is in English lavender. And this looks so good. I did have to grab 2 of these. Now in first aid, I found the American Red Cross bandages in both a 24 count and a 30 count pack. Now I thought these 2 items was a really good deal for $1. You have the Tag Black Body Mist, an 8-ounce bottle for $1, and the Yardley London. This is the all-in-one micellar cleansing water. This is fragrance free, alcohol free, and oil free. I also found these car erasers. I grabbed 2 of these. And these air fryer parchment liners. This is a 25 count pack. Now right here you have some of the Lily Beth. This is a foaming hand soap in lavender and bergamot. I did grab a bottle of this. And they also have some parchment paper. This is 25 feet for $1. What a great deal. I also found these gallon bags. You get 40 of these with a twisty tie. I thought this was unique, so I did grab one. And also found this Ultra. This is the automatic toilet bowl cleaner. They have it here for just $1. And the reason why I came here was for the Scott paper or toilet tissues. You get 4 of these for just $1. So I did grab 4 packs. And you got Palmolive, Ajax, some more Palmolive, and Gain. Now this Gain is 8 ounces for $1. So I did grab 2 of these. Right next to that is the Neo Green. These are 4 tablets you add to a 32-ounce spray bottle. And take a look at this area, guys. This is nice, neat, easy to spot when you get to the dollar aisle, and it is fully stocked. Also spotted some Gain dryer sheets. Now these are just 10 of them. I don't think this is worth $1. However, I found another box of dryer sheets. You get 34 of these. I do believe it's worth that $1. Also spotted a sponge. Now this is a Smart Clean dual scrubber sponge, so I did grab this. Now let's talk about holiday finds. I found this handmade Christmas card box. Now these are $1 each, money holders. You have it in joy. You just saw the Christmas tree. And look, here's Jack Frost saying, "Let it snow." And let me just pull this whole box out so you can get a good look at this. It's a full box. You have Holly Jolly, Oh, what fun, and more Christmas trees. And right beside it, I found these. These are Jesus, the sweetest name I know. This is the origins of the candy cane story. Next is this 4 count money holders. I did see a variety of styles here. Looks like this one says seasons greetings, and this one right here is really cute. It says sweet winter wishes. Very nice. Found some mini candy canes. These are the Smarties, and you get 20 of these for $1. And I also found this for the kiddos or the kids at heart. These are some holiday die cut playing cards. You have Santa Claus here. You have look like a yummy, delicious treat here. And you also have Christmas stockings. Good for getting a good space game going on during Christmas. And also found the Christmas solar lights. These are $1, guys. Look how beautiful these are. For $1, if I had a yard, I would have grabbed the whole box. And right beside it for the kiddos, you have some kids card games. You have Go Fish, Crazy Eights, and Mrs. Claus, an old maid card game. And I found this jumbo coloring book. This is Snow Way with a little doggy on it. And they have this one with the little bear. How cute is this? And they have some more calendars. These have these adorable dogs on them. And right beside it are these planners. And these are all $1 each. Oh, this reminds me of my friend's Kavapu. This is a 2026 monthly planner, guys. All right, now let's break this down because this is where the magic happens. So I grabbed 25 items. Every item was $1. My total was $25. I used the 5 off 25 Saturday coupon, and that brought my total down to $20. Now I only spent 80 cents per item, and that's cheaper than a Dollar Tree. And these are all full-size products. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the lookout. Bye.